Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Princess and Mom channel. How you guys do? Hope you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Please my people, if you are not yet subscribed to Princess and Mom channel, kindly do go and subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you see this video helpful to you, like the video, share it, and if you have anything to say about the video, please drop it at the comment section below. I'll be there to answer you. Okay my people, I said let me create this lovely hairstyle for my precious daughter. This beautiful and attractive, oh my god, hairstyle for her. So I create different hairstyle for my daughter every weekend. That is what I normally do, to create different hairstyle for her, because she have a short hair. As in, her head is just coming. I don't know, her head is really short. You can see it in the video. So if you want to create this Brazilian wool hairstyle for your daughter, please make sure you use rubber band first to plait the hair. Then after the rubber band, you can use the Brazilian wool to create different hairstyle for your baby. Because if you say you should start it from the beginning, so you have to be careful about your baby's scalp. Please make sure you have to be careful. So if you use rubber band, there will be no problem. You're creating this hairstyle for your daughter. So the reason why I love Brazilian wool so much is that you can use it to create different hairstyle for your daughter and also for yourself. For those of you that normally make your son hair, you can also use it to create hairstyle for your son also. But I don't like it, though it's not everybody has their own opinion. So I normally use it for my daughter. Please my people, if you want to create this lovely hairstyle for your daughter, make sure you start with rubber band hairstyle to avoid pull out and tightness. Please, to avoid mama I can't sleep. So you have to use rubber band first to create hairstyle for your daughter before you use this Brazilian wool, because Brazilian wool, oh my god, is something else. I don't even know what to say about this Brazilian wool, but I love it so much. So guys, I want to leave you guys to watch this lovely video to the end. Make sure you watch this video to the end to see the beauty and the attractive and lovely hairstyle that I create for my lovely daughter. Please, if you're watching this video, do not forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay guys, let me leave you to watch this beautiful and lovely hairstyle I'm going to create for my daughter to the end. See you guys later. Bye. So guys, I'm through with my daughter hair. Look at my daughter hair. Then I'm through with the shuku. I just coil in, and this front one also. So I called the front one also. Look at my daughter. I said to my daughter, come on, say hello to my people. She was happy. She was singing, hello my people, hello my people, hello mama, hello mama. She was happy. So my daughter was happy. Please guys, go and make this lovely hairstyle for your daughter. Don't say my daughter have short hair. Who told you that you can create hairstyle for your daughter if your daughter have short hair? Please go and create a lovely hairstyle for your daughter. And if you want to create a lovely hairstyle for your daughter, make sure you use rubber band first. I told my daughter to kiss me. She dragged my hair. I was shouting. Thank you so much guys for watching. We so much love you for watching our video. See you guys in our next video. Bye.